In order to understand the persuasive elements of this passage, we need to understand the author's perspective. Now, the author is a believer in the new art. And by new art, we mean abstract art like this. This is not the new art. This is art that looks like something. This is realism. This is abstract art, and that's what we're talking about here. Now, he believes in this new art. He's all about this new art. And here's what he hears all day long from all kinds of people. They'll say they won't say that this is bad art. This is going to say this is not art at all. They'll say this is art, but this isn't. And the author is frustrated by he's being put down all the time. The art that he likes is being insulted, and he wants to kind of turn the tables. He wants to make it seem that this is the real art, this is the best art, and this is not as good. This is great. And so how is he going to do that? Well, let's take a look. He starts off by saying, if the new art is not accessible to everyone. What does that mean? If the art is not accessible to everyone, it means that not everyone can understand the new art. In other words, if the average person is just too dumb to get this new art. If the new art is not accessible to everyone, which certainly seems to be the case, this implies that its impulses are not of a generically human kind. It is not art for people in general, but for a special class who may not be better, but who are evidently different. Let's take a look at that. He's saying it's not for the average person, but it's for special people can understand this new type of art. Now, over here, people get tripped up here. They say, well, doesn't he say they may not be better? May not be better is a way of saying, yes, they might not be better, but they are definitely better, but who are definitely different. He's not saying these are just, there's two types of people. He's saying this is the better group of people. The special people, that's the good group. When he says they may not be better, they also may be better. May not be better is saying they might not be better, but they probably are better. So what's he doing here? He's finding ways to essentially put down the other side as being too dumb to understand art and saying that his side is a special, better side that can figure out, that who can understand the art. The art's not accessible to everyone else. Now, this does come across as sort of authoritative, so many people don't realize that this is designed to be persuasive. What is it being designed to persuade you of? It's designed to convince you that smart people like the new art, the average dumb doesn't get the new art. So if you want to be one of the smart people, you should probably better say that this is your favorite kind of art.